Hey, this is Reverend Joanna Bartlett, and you might be wondering why we're in my laundry room. There's a good reason for that, actually, and that's because I want to share with you a mindfulness meditation, and I call this the folding laundry meditation. So we're here in my laundry room so that we can fold some of my laundry. Well, I'll fold the laundry, I guess, and you can watch, and I will explain this meditation. So I have a load of towels and things. I don't think there are any unmentionables in here, so you don't need to worry about that. Oh, I don't think this dried properly. Well, I'll deal with that in a minute. And the dryer ate something. Good time to practice mindfulness. Going, well, it's okay. It's just a thing. But anyway, to do this meditation, the idea is that you're in the moment and you stay in the moment with whatever is going on. And so you take your first item of laundry, in this case this is a towel, and as you do it, you can just notice it, right? You notice the warmth of this towel, which is just freshly dried. You notice the feel of the fabric beneath your fingers. You notice the folds that you make without judging them, right? Without judging, without going, man, this washcloth is getting a little bit old. I wonder if I should replace it. You pick it up and you feel it and you notice it. You can feel your body moving. You can place your awareness and your attention in what it feels like for your body to move, to fold the clothes. And you can just stay with that. And as you get distracted, which you will probably get distracted, you'll start going, why does my kid like to wear ripped jeans? I don't get it. They're perfectly good pants and now they have holes in them. Then you just bring yourself back to the present moment. You feel the warmth. You feel the fabric. You feel the love for your kid whose laundry you're folding perhaps. And again, you feel your arms stretch wide to fold the towel. And you stay in the moment. And you just keep going. When I taught classes, when I teach in-person classes, I've actually brought up a pile of my laundry for my students to fold as part of this meditation. But you have to get your own nice, fresh, warm laundry from your dryer and give it a try at home and just notice it. Notice what comes up for you. And the thing I like about this meditation, or this way of thinking about meditation, is that you can bring this to any aspect of your life. There's so many parts of our lives that are repetitive, that might be considered, drudgery perhaps, whether it's washing the dishes, it's the chores, vacuuming the house, doing the laundry, folding the laundry. But if you can bring mindful attention to it, it transforms it, it makes it something different, it makes it something that you can perhaps do with some joy. Not just the satisfaction of getting it done, but the process for yourself. Can you center yourself within it? As you see the laundry, do you get overwhelmed and worried? And even just to notice that, oh, I have so much to do, I don't have anybody to help me. Or whatever it is that's going on within you, just notice the thought, notice the feeling, know that you are more than your thoughts and your feelings, and continue on and just keep on going with it. And so I like this way of approaching mindfulness in that sense, because we all have these things throughout our days that we have to deal with, we have to do, and it's a way of taking a moment for yourself while you are doing these things. So I invite you to give this practice a try and let me know what you think.